If you have a hung window and have spent more than 2 minutes installing your portable AC window kit, you're going to want to watch this video. So if you've purchased a portable AC unit like this LG unit that I have here, you'll know that it comes with a universal window kit to fit your hung window. However, because it's universal, it fits everything and nothing. This one fits absolutely horribly. It doesn't even extend to the full width of the window here. I got massive air gaps on either side. This doesn't even fit into the window channel like it's supposed to because my channels are a little thin. You're gonna have to stuff either foam or cardboard on the sides to seal up that air gap. That's gonna cost you a lot of money, not efficient at all. Secondly, they're really flimsy, very cheap, flimsy material. Again, you're gonna have to use duct tape to make this thing work or something. It barely sits in there. It's just a flimsy two-piece design. This hose just pops off. You just tap it and it comes off. This isn't even really deep enough to fit into the channel. As you can see, the hose can't even get in there, so it's gonna have to sit up like that. Just not a good solution at all, which is why this is such a frustrating problem to people who are wanting to use portable AC units. They like the cooling, they hate the whole window side of things. So even if by some miracle you get this thing rigged up with a ton of duct tape, it's an eyesore. Who wants that? It's not gonna help the curb appeal of your home. So let's talk about a better solution. So back in 2022, I was experiencing the same frustrations that you probably are, and I set out to make the perfect kit to this frustrating problem. And I think we've done that because we make custom-made window vent kits that are designed to fit your window perfectly. Because they fit perfectly, they are ultra efficient. You're not gonna have those drafts like we had with the previous one. It's gonna keep your home cool, save you money, and it installs in seconds rather than minutes for something that'll fall out anyways. Secondly, this kit is very durable. It's made out of ultra thick plexiglass. It's a nice solid one-piece design, unlike that flimsy two-piece design that we had previously. It's not gonna bend, crack, warp, or break over time like with other kits that you have. We also have our twist lock vent system. It's our own proprietary design. It threads onto the end of your hose, has a nice bug screen, and it just twists and locks into the panel. You could literally trip over the hose. It's not gonna disconnect from the panel. And lastly, let's talk about looks. We all care about looks, right? Obviously, keeping your home cool, saving money, most important, but looks are also really important too, at least for me. Obviously, this looks amazing. Most of our customers, when they get these installed, feel the need to wash the rest of their windows to match the new crystal clear pane that they have in their window. This is something that's actually gonna match your beautiful home, keep it looking beautiful, keep that nice curb appeal that you're going for. So this is actually something that you do want in your home. We have these available to purchase on our website, martinsonmanufacturing.com. Ordering is super easy. Just watch a 30-second measuring video, enter your dimensions, and have it in your hands, cool in your home in 7 days. If you've experienced some of these frustrations yourself, shoot me a comment down below. I'd love to hear your story. If you have any questions about the products that we sell, give us a call or email. You can find us on martinsonmanufacturing.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.